Hello and welcome to all my lovely students out there. I welcome you all for today's English class. Students, as you all know, we have completed our portion for the half-yearly exam and now we are doing revision, right? And I am taking the revisional topics being sent by you all. So in today's class, I'll be taking up a revisional topic called as articles. So we will cover up what are articles and what are the different kinds of articles and when to pronounce the article the as the and the article the as the and when not to use the articles. So let's get started, students. So let us start with what are articles. The words a and the are called articles. Okay, students? Once again, the words a and the are called as articles. Now you must be thinking that when are these articles basically used? Okay. Now these three articles have been divided into two parts. Now a and comes under the indefinite article category. The article the comes under the definite category. Okay. Now article a and n is being used for singular countable nouns. So we use the article a and n only for singular countable nouns. The nouns which are singular. The nouns which can be counted. Okay. We use the article a and n. And the definite article the is used with particular, proper or specific nouns which I'll be telling you later, towards the later period. Okay. Now let us see first the use of article a and n, which is called as indefinite article. The article a is used when we use this article a, we use it in front of a consonant sound. Whenever there's a consonant sound, for example, we can say a box, right? Because the next word box is a word which comes with a consonant sound, right? A pen. So we say a pen. We don't say an pen, right? We say a pen. Why? Because the next word is starting with a consonant sound. Similarly, what happens, students? We use the article an, a and an, in front of words or nouns that starts with a vowel sound. For example, an apple. Vowels, all of you know it. A, E, I, O, U sound. So don't go with the letters. Okay, students, you need to go with the sound of that particular word, of that particular noun. For example, I've already told you an orange, an apple. Why? Because the next word is starting with a vowel sound. And there are some words which starts with a consonant letter but has a vowel sound. For example, an hour, an hour, H-O-U-R, hour. But we never say it as a hour, right, students? Because H is silent and then we see that the sound being produced by the word is a vowel sound. So we do not go with the letter, rather we go with the sound of that particular word. So don't get confused, don't just see the letter, rather you check out the sound of the given word. Now let us see, students, the definite article the. Why is the called a definite article? Because it signifies a particular thing. It may be a noun. Okay, it signifies a particular noun. That's why it's called as the definite article. And the can be used in various situations. conditions. First and foremost, the is referred to something which is only one of its kind. For example, the moon, the sun, the stars. We use the article the, definite article the. We also use the when something is being repeated for the second time. For example, I have a new dress. I am using a new dress. And when I repeat this dress again, I never say it, a new dress is beautiful. I say the new dress is beautiful, right? When something is repeated for the second time, we use the article the. Similarly, the article the is being used when we talk about rivers, mountain ranges like the Ganges, right? The Brahmaputra river, some of the holy books like the Bible, the Gita, the Quran. So these are various instances when we use the article the. I hope you have understood about the use of the articles, that is a and the. Now let us see, students, when do we pronounce the article the as the and the as the? Sometimes you might be hearing teachers saying the and using the word the as the and using the word the as the. So we will be seeing that as well. We pronounce the article the as the when the next word is a consonant word. For example, the bus, right? I say the bus. Why? Because the next word is the consonant word, right? But whenever I use the article the as the, when the next word is of a vowel sound. For example, the apple, okay? The orange, the Honorable Prime Minister. So students, we use the article the as the, we pronounce it the article the as the when the next word is consonant, okay, consonant sound, and we pronounce the article the as the when the next word is of a vowel. So let us take up the last topic, students, that is when not to use articles. So there are instances when we do not use articles, okay, and these are called as zero articles. So let us try to see. There are three important points to be kept in mind when not to use an article. First and foremost, we do not use an article when we talk about plural uncountable nouns. For example, I love music. I never use the article a or an before music because it is something which is, we cannot count. It is something which is very abstract, right? I love a music, the music, and music, we cannot use that, okay? Second thing is, second important point is, we do not use articles whenever we talk about anything abstract or abstract noun. Now many of you must be thinking, what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are nouns that we can only feel and think about, okay? But we cannot directly touch and hold it. For example, my mother gives good advice. I cannot say my mother gives a good advice, the good advice. So here I'm using only, I'm not using any article. Similarly, creativity and curiosity are important in life. I don't use the word, the articles a or an before curiosity and creativity. Why? Because these are abstract nouns. So we do not use articles in front of abstract noun. And the last one is, we do not use articles in front of people's name, countries, in front of even subjects, okay, and languages. For example, Rohit is from London. So here in this sentence, you can see that I have not used the article the Rohit, a Rohit, which is the name of a person, right? It will be incorrect. From London, from the London, from a London. their article is not required. So I hope you have understood, students. So students, in today's class, I hope you have revised the topic articles. No, it is everything is clear to you. What are articles and how many kinds of articles are there, and then which are the categories, when to use the articles a, when to use the articles and when to use the article the, and when is the article the being pronounced as the, and when the article the is pronounced as the, and when also not to use the articles. So we'll end up our class here today, students, and in our next class, as some of you have requested me to take up the topic on pronouns, subject and object pronouns and reflexive pronouns, so I will be taking up that topic in my next class. So till then, students, take care, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.